My name is Kadima Bashala. I am the owner and founder of the industry. This place is called the industry, by the way. They never introduced you to the industry. The industry is a fitness center by day and a nightclub by night. We've analyzed our competitors and have looked at their businesses and have seen what they are doing wrong. We've decided to capitalize on the space and use the space. How do we use the space? We use the space during the day. We do boxing fitness and we do hip-hop fitness. At night, this place transforms to a nightclub, a venue for hire, and a space where we give people a free space where they can use the free Wi-Fi and just to socialize. This is innovation. Innovation, guys, and this is why we are better than our competitors. Now, being innovative, we've also decided to create jobs. Having this event right now, tonight, at the industry, I've been able to create jobs for 8 people working for the industry. I've been able to create jobs for the ACB staff. I am a distributor for many, many companies. I will give you guys an example. ACB, I've been operating since January this year. From January to today, I've been able to generate more than 150,000 Rand for ACB alone. This is why ACB today is able to fund young entrepreneurs like us. So I am not just generating jobs for the industry, within the industry. I'm generating jobs for the nation. People working for ACB. People looking for funding from ACB. And this is what the country needs. This is what South Africa needs. My target markets are students and young working class. We're very vibrant. We are extremely vibrant. And this is why I've decided to be innovative. Ladies and gentlemen, my marketing tools are social media, word of mouth, pamphlets, posters, wherever I can market. Today you can come to the industry and party. You can come here and relax, use our free Wi-Fi. We operate from 5 a.m. every day and we close around 5 a.m. This is the industry. Today, I've faced a lot of challenges, and I am here seeking for 3 million Rand. 3 million Rand, why? Because I need to buy this premises so that it can cut my costs. I would like to cut my costs so that I can focus more on this business growth. By growing, I will be able to generate a lot more jobs for the nation, for South Africa. This is my business, ladies and gentlemen. You can come here, you can work out, you can party, you can have a lot of fun. Thank you very much.